Tommy, can I ask you a question about
Sure.
this? If you do this kind of checklist, let's say vendor requirements lists, how many people are involved in filling this out or at controlling this on your side?
Everyone. So to build our requirement list, I will go and speak to finance. I will go and speak to the people team. I will go and speak to the ops team. I will go and speak to the marketing team. And obviously, I will speak to myself for IT and tech when it comes to integrations. But yeah, everyone is involved, including sometimes GMs when it comes to general managers, when it comes to building that list in terms of understanding what do you need to get your job done easier or faster.
And how do you then come to the priorities of this list?
It's just a conversation.
If you have, let's say, 100 of conversations, everybody has a slightly different priority, or is this kind of crystallizing very easily?
It usually crystallizes quite easily. When you move away from a platform, there's probably things that you want to keep, features that you want to keep from the existing platform that you have, or some non-negotiables that are part of the goals that we talked about just earlier, or some pain points that you're trying to fix, so they become a must-have in case it's a feature you don't have in the existing platform. So it's usually pretty easy, and it's a conversation in terms of, is this a must-have, or could we work without if that was to come maybe 3 or 6 months later, if it was something on the roadmap, for example.
Yeah.